So for today's video, we're going to talk about 10 budgeting tips for beginners. We all know how frustrating handling your personal expenses can get. So with that, let's get straight into the video. Number 1. Clear financial goals. Before you start budgeting, set clear financial goals for yourself, such as paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or building an emergency fund. Track your expenses. Start by tracking your expenses for a month or two, so you can get a clear picture of where your money is going. Use a spreadsheet or budgeting app to make it easy. Create a realistic budget. Once you know where your money is going, create a realistic budget that takes into account all of your expenses, including fixed expenses like rent and utilities, as well as variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Cut back on non-essential spending. Take a look at your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back on non-essential spending, like eating out, buying coffee, or subscribing to unnecessary services. Use the 50-30-20 rule. A popular budgeting rule is the 50-30-20 rule, which suggests that you allocate 50% of your income to essential expenses, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month so you can save without thinking about it. Use cash or a debit card. If you tend to overspend with credit cards, consider using cash or a debit card instead to help you stick to your budget. Plan for irregular expenses. Make sure to include irregular expenses in your budget, like car repairs, annual insurance payments, or holiday gifts. Review your budget regularly. Review your budget on a regular basis, such as every month or every quarter, to make sure you're staying on track and adjust as needed. Stay motivated. Budgeting can be challenging, so stay motivated by focusing on your financial goals, celebrating your successes, and reminding yourself of the benefits of financial stability and security. By following these budgeting tips for beginners, you can take control of your finances, reduce stress, and work towards achieving your financial goals. And those are just a few quick tips out of millions others on helping you become more smarter and manageable over your finances. With that being said, make sure to like, subscribe, and mostly thanks for watching.